Hey guys, just a quick video for you today. I'm going to replace my air filter with the K&N high performance air filter. So it's just going to help it breathe better. I don't think it says it will give you more horsepower and acceleration. I don't think we're going to get much out of a TJ, but I'm going to do it just because I'm going to Moab and I'm doing everything I can, including the hood louver, to keep it nice and cool and running great. So come on over. Another cool thing about this air filter is it's washable and reusable. So while it is a good bit more expensive than a regular air filter, I think this was about $40, you can use it for a long time and wash it. And I think it's an oiled filter, so you re-oil it and you can use it over and over and over. All right, so go ahead and just unscrew and loosen this hose clamp. Then you can pop this off. And then this is your box with the air filter in it. So you got little clips all around. Just undo those. And take the top off. And here's my filter. Not great, but it's not the worst I've ever seen, so we'll just toss that off to the side and open up our new one. All right, and here's our new air filter. Looks pretty nice. I'm gonna drop it in. Yep, nice good fit. Take the cap or cover, slide it back in here. And then push all these clips back on. This one's always a pain. It's tucked back here. There we go. All right, and then slide that back on. Oh no. Are you guys okay? Anyway, slide this back on and then tighten your hose clamp. Drop your screwdriver. Continue to tighten your hose clamp. And it's as simple as that. Just change the filter. I'll go ahead and start the Jeep real quick and let you guys hear it and see if I can hear any difference. I really doubt I can. This is just for better airflow. I don't think it's going to make a huge difference on anything like horsepower or sound, so I'll just start it up real quick and let you hear it. Okay guys, let's let's give it a go. See how it feels. I'll wait to give you an impression until I can go more than 100 feet. Could be my imagination, as usually is with these things, but it feels a little peppier. I mean, just a little bit. Like I said, it could all be in my head just because I know I just changed that, but first and second just felt a little more responsive. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I just did it for better airflow, and I needed a new filter anyway, so I'm just trying to keep the engine cool and running good. I wasn't doing it for this secret unlock of new horsepower, so I don't know, it feels good. We'll give it a little while and see if it was worth the money, but I mean, it was $40, so it's not like it's gonna break the bank for me. We'll hop on the highway for a minute. I'll head to the gas station, get some gas, so we'll see how it does on the highway, see if I can notice a difference. This is probably a good time to say, if you're still watching, hopefully you're enjoying the content. Maybe you have a TJ, or maybe you're just into off-roading. It would be really cool if you guys could like, subscribe, even comment any questions you have. Maybe I can help, or if you just want to see a particular thing about my Jeep, I can show you, make a video of it. It would help me out, and hopefully it would help you guys out. Quicker. I never memorized it before. It does feel, like I said, just a little bit peppier.